In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore previous version in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever made a change to a spreadsheet and wished you could go back, this walkthrough will help you confidently review earlier snapshots and compare them to what you have now. We'll keep it straightforward and clear so you always know what to expect. First, launch LibreOffice Calc. Give it a moment to open to the main spreadsheet interface. You can start from your desktop shortcut, your Applications folder, or any launcher you prefer. Once Calc is open, you're ready for the next step. Now, open an existing Calc file or create a new one. If your goal is to return to an earlier state, it's best to open the file you've been working on. Keep in mind that the Versions feature shows previously saved snapshots of the same document. If this is a brand new file, there won't be any older versions to review yet. That's normal. You'll still learn the process so you can use it whenever you need it. With your spreadsheet open, go to the File menu at the top of the window. This is where LibreOffice groups document-level tools and history options. Clicking File reveals a list of commands that apply to your current document. From that menu, select Versions. This opens the Versions dialog, which lists any saved snapshots associated with the document. You'll typically see entries with dates, times, and possibly comments. If the list is empty, it simply means there are no previous versions available for this file. In that case, there's nothing to restore or compare right now, but you'll still know exactly where to go the next time you need it. If you do see versions, select the one you want to review from the list. You have two choices here. Click Open to view that version on its own. This is great for double-checking numbers, formulas, or formatting as it existed at that point in time. Alternatively, click Show to compare it with your current version. The comparison helps you spot what changed between the saved snapshot and your present document, so you can quickly decide which content better fits your needs. This side-by-side perspective is especially helpful when you're evaluating edits made over time. That's the whole process. Open Calc, load your spreadsheet, go to File, choose Versions, then pick a snapshot and open or show it to review. Use these tools to make informed decisions about your data and confidently manage your spreadsheet history. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in LibreOffice Calc.